1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool tune by Stevie Wonder, Part-Time Lover. And yeah, so let's start by putting the cape on first fret, please. Got two parts. We got verse and chorus, verse and chorus, verse and chorus. A minor. 1, 2, 3. We got G major. 1, 2, 3. We got an F major. Let's play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a D minor in there. 1, 2, 3. We got an E minor. And I think that's it. Let's see when we get there. So the verse is A minor, G, F, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, E minor, D minor, did we learn that yet? D minor, 1, 2, 3, to G, to A, and then it's a quick E minor, G, A, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, F, F, E minor, G, and A minor, quick, E, G. So down, down, up, down, 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 G, G, F, 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 E minor, D. Let's do that one more time. Okay, that's a verse. And then for the chorus, it's a quick F, C, F. Did we go over F yet? Yeah, we did. So F, C, F, to C, D minor, E minor. So E minor, and then grab F sharp, G, A minor. So let's do that from the beginning. F, F to C, D minor, F major to C, D minor, and on E7. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. E minor, A minor, verse. F, C, F to C major chorus, One more verse, come on. Fun song, great jam. Alright, so before we end the lesson, let's review everything. Verse A minor, G, F, E minor, D, G, and A minor. Strumming. And then chorus, quick F, C, F, C major, D minor, E, grab, F sharp to G, A minor, and then F to C, D minor, and end on E7. Do-do-do-do. Part-time lover. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Thank you.